Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and before getting started with today's video, it's time for my daily giveaway. And I know I missed yesterday's video, so I'll be having a double giveaway tomorrow. Today I'm going to be giving away this rechargeable portable work light. So all you have to do to enter into this giveaway is like this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be deciding the winner for this giveaway and all the previous giveaways as well on December 31st, 2018. And now let's get started with today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a common issue that the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220 and the CL Class W215 face. And it is the AC control panel unit. So if your vents aren't blowing any air or your AC screen is glitching out, then this video might help you guys out. And the fix for this problem is to make sure the control unit is off, then press and hold the filter button and the rest button for about 5 seconds. You can let go once you see the searching screen, and then after another couple seconds you're going to see this diagnostic screen. And inside the diagnostic, as you guys can see on my screen, I have an error showing. So what I need to do now is erase the code, and to do that you're going to press both auto buttons. You're going to press one out, press the other one out, and then push them back in. And when you do that, it's going to show errors deleted. Once the errors are deleted, you could turn your AC or heat back on and it should end up working properly. If it doesn't, then you do have another issue that you might be facing. It might be a blower motor, it might be the control unit that has gone out. But you always want to troubleshoot and try the simpler fixes first. So if this video helped you guys out, please give it a like and share, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.